The difference between the Kindred experience and purchasing any other vehicle is really night and day. You get to have a personal relationship, not only with the team that's building the automobile, but also the automobile itself as it's being developed.
The best part of being invited here today to work on even a small part of my car is knowing that I have been along for that process in building this car and designing this car in many ways. It was, to me, pure exhilaration.
We're super excited to host our customers here on Mare Island. It's fun to be able to share the work that goes in behind the scenes because we think it's part of the experience and part of what draws people to Kindred in the first place. They get to see the amount of sweat equity that goes into building each of our vehicles, everything that's done to that vehicle, from metal fab to upholstery to paint and body to final assembly. And then we give them a chance to get their hands onto it as well and be a part of building their own car, which I think is a really unique opportunity.
Having the opportunity to come and see how the cars are being developed, see the production line, and actually do work on my vehicle is something that I've never experienced before, and probably outside of Kindred never will. I had a chance to bring one of my children with me. He actually got to skip school, put on some security glasses and some safety gloves, and actually turn some screws and install part of the flooring. That's something that I think is probably going to live with him for the rest of his life.
For me to just be a part of this journey that is very much mine as it is Kindred's. And it's in some ways a joint ownership of this vehicle that really is exciting to me.
It's not just a one and done experience for us. The intent is that you become part of the Kindred family or Kindred team. And so, now that you've taken your vehicle, really your journey's kind of just beginning with us.
They have made me feel like I'm as much a part of the company as I am a customer of it. And it's made me even more invested along the way.
Seeing the evolution of the Bronco is pretty unique. A lot of tender love and care has gone into each of the vehicles, and that's obvious from the moment you step into the factory.
When I eventually do take this car on the road, I know what it took, and it certainly makes me appreciate it more.